Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make the first wall from partition in Sketchup. Okay, first of all, you have to make this element, which is there were a floor and wall. And I have to modify this wall and floor just a little bit rearrangement, something like this. Okay, and first of all, to make curve wall is you have to use sorry I have to erase it first. Okay, to make a curve wall you have to make a basic shape in the first step. Okay, you can set this curve as you can set this rectangle with the height as proportional as possible. Okay, and then and second first you have to make a 2-point arc right here. You have to make a 2-point arc. Okay, and then you have to offset it to the inside. Okay, then you have to offset with maybe it's around okay, as proportional, maybe it's around 150 millimeter, right? Then we can erase some unnecessary object. Okay, and after that you can push it to the another side. You can set the width of the pole is around 50 millimeter. I think it's enough. Or if you feel it's too small, you can offset it more. You can push it more on another side, maybe 20 millimeter more. And then you can select this component and just make it group. After that, you have to make it component and just create it. Again, after that, you can select this object and select move, and just select this corner of component and select you can type a control and make sure the movement are parallel with the grid axis, and then you can define the end of position as you want by your room. For example, you can set the end of position right here, and then you can just type the how many count of the pole as you want, or as proportional as possible. Maybe, for example, I would like to type 10 slash and select enter, so it will be grid arrangement and automatically arrangement, something like this. And then we can make a rectangle in this area and make a rectangle for holder of this many pole. Okay, we can make a rectangle and just make it group, and after that we can make we can rearrange it to push it to the back more. Okay, something like this, and we can make a holder right here with a cylinder in the circle, and just set the radius for any size as proportional as possible, and just connect it into the upper component. Just make it component and just create it. After that, we can select move and select control and position on to the another pole, and just type on your keyboard, type X9 and just press enter, so it will be automatically if it didn't complete, you have to complete it manually anyway. Okay, so it is the simple construction of the fourth pole from partition, and then you have to make a material of this pole, and then you can assign a material with synthetic surface for each pole right here. And then you can assign a color of the connector between a pole and holder. Anyway, you can set this material, and then if you feel you didn't match with this wood color or laminated color, you can adjust the color with the color wheel option, and you can adjust the brightness and contrast of it. so you can get the result quickly. Okay, okay, I think it's enough about the making simple curve wall in SketchUp. I hope this video will help you to finish your work. Some mistake for my reason just now, and wait for my next video. Thank you.